Welcome back to another enlightening episode of our journey through intermittent fasting. In today's discussion, we unravel a common challenge many fasting enthusiasts encounter: intermittent fasting and food cravings. Join us as we delve into effective strategies for managing cravings during fasting, empowering you to navigate this aspect of your fasting journey with confidence. Understanding food cravings. Food cravings are powerful urges to consume specific foods, often triggered by factors like emotions, hormones, or habits. During fasting periods, when eating is restricted, cravings can intensify. Let's explore strategies to address this challenge. Mindful awareness. The first step in managing cravings is cultivating mindful awareness. Recognize the triggers that prompt your cravings. Is it stress, boredom, or emotional cues? Being attuned to these triggers empowers you to respond proactively. Hydration as a strategy. Staying well hydrated can help manage cravings. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger. Drinking water during fasting windows can help quell cravings and support your overall well-being. Balanced nutrition. Ensuring balanced nutrition during eating windows can curb cravings. Incorporate protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich foods to promote satiety and stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of intense cravings. Incorporating fiber-rich foods. Fiber-rich foods, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can contribute to a feeling of fullness. Including these foods during your eating windows can help manage cravings and prevent overindulgence. Mindful eating practices. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and paying attention to the textures, flavors, and sensations of your food. This can enhance your eating experience and reduce the desire for excessive consumption. Distraction techniques. When cravings strike, distract your mind with engaging activities. Engage in a hobby, take a walk, or connect with friends. Shifting your focus can help diminish the intensity of cravings. Nutrient-dense snacking. If cravings persist, opt for nutrient-dense snacks. Nuts, seeds, yogurt, or sliced fruits can provide a satisfying and nutritious option to satiate your cravings. Time-based strategies. Divert your attention by setting a timer for a specific duration when a craving hits. Engage in a task until the timer goes off, allowing the craving to pass. Balanced indulgences. While it's essential to manage cravings, occasional indulgences can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Savor small portions of your favorite treats mindfully during your eating windows. Seeking support. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or online communities. Sharing your experiences and strategies can provide motivation and encouragement. Self-compassion and flexibility. Remember that managing cravings is a gradual process. Be compassionate with yourself if you experience occasional slips. Embrace flexibility and view each experience as a learning opportunity. In conclusion, addressing food cravings during intermittent fasting requires a multifaceted approach. By incorporating strategies such as mindful awareness, hydration, balanced nutrition, and distraction techniques, you can effectively manage cravings and navigate your fasting journey with success. Thank you for joining us on this informative exploration. Stay tuned for more valuable insights into intermittent fasting and its diverse aspects. Until next time, let mindfulness and strategic choices be your allies in conquering cravings and achieving your fasting goals.